Once you have published your content, how will find Google about your content? To help the Google find your site, you have to share your site with Google. Then how we can finish the work in major three part. Number one, install a plugin. To do this, go to WordPress dashboard and click plugin, then add new. A new interface will appear in the search bar. Type your plugin name. Today we will install a Google plugin named Google Kit by Google. It is here, which manufactured by Google. To install this plugin, click on install. After installing this plugin, click active. The plugin is will be activated. New interface is here. It is the Google Sitekit settings. Part 2, we will set up Google Sitekit plugin. To set up the plugin, click here. It will bring us a new interface. To sign in with Google, click in this button. Put your Gmail and click next, then password, then click next, then click allow. So to complete the setup, click first, click here, then click allow. Now click on add site. So they are showing a message. Click here. So they are showing our Google plugin is connected. Part 3. Part 3, tell Google about the pages you have in your website. So how can we do this? Suppose here our blog post is all. To inform Google about our post, we need to submit something called sitemap. Sitemap is all pages link exist in this page. It's called sitemap. To submit your sitemap, we need to get the sitemap from the SEO plugin. You have to install the plugin. So go to the dashboard and click Yoast SEO plugin. Then click features. Below XML sitemap, click on the interrogative mark. Then click here. It is the sitemap for our plugin. So if you click any one of this, it is a page link. You can see all post link is gathered. So a sitemap, we have to submit the submit will help to find the content. So to submit your sitemap to Google, go back to the back. It is the link. After you just click the here and go to the Google Sitekit and click Search Console. And to open the Search Console, click here. So left side, just click sitemap. Here just paste the sitemap. To get the link, go to back to the sitemap again, and just after the website address, copy and go to again Google Sitekit and paste it in this search box. After paste it, just click on submit. So they are showing our website is submitted successfully. So that's it. When it will be automatically added all posted, no need to submit individually. So this is how you can tell Google about the pages. So rest of this video, it is the extra part for you. You can tell, just suppose for improving your knowledge, and also you can it is the another video. So but it's very important for you. How? Now it is order to rank for the keyword you want. There are few things you need to remember. Number one, it takes time to Google to find your content and then rank it for the correct SEO terms. Number two, remember that Google wants to show the best possible content to its visitor. Number three, try to create content which is better than what the competition has to offer. So be aware about this. Google very sensitive their visitors. Here no fake Google's accept. When you done this type of project, how do you see the number of the people visit your website or blog post or any post, any kind of post? And another thing, but how do you know if the site is ranked on Google or not? It is a very important question. Site is ranked on the Google. So how you can find this question answer? Just wait a minute, wait a moment. I will show you how Google rank your website post or any page or any single post. Go to the Google Kit. Just look site overview. They are showing how many is the number of the times your visitors has appeared on the charts. Here all analytical information available. As you possible more and more new content, your site will get more impression by the visitors. You published post gradually day by day from the search console. If you want to see the search terms and a lot of information available also, which people are using to find your site. So view site set the best. It's a topic name. So this is how you can which content you have published and how many people are visiting your site you can watch. So guys, if you like our video, then leave your comment and share with your friend, and after sharing subscribe our channel. If you have any question or any suggestion, leave in comment section as soon as possible. We will try to answer your question or your suggestion. So guys, thanks for watching our video. See you next time in another blog. Till goodbye.